If you've been wondering how to connect multiple domains to one Namecheap web hosting account, this video is going to walk you through the full process step by step. The good news is that once you understand the setup, you can point several domains to the same hosting plan and either keep them as separate websites or manage them from one place. This is a super useful setup if you own multiple brands, run different projects, or just want a clean way to organize your websites without paying for a separate hosting plan for every domain. Before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website and hosting guides just like this. It really helps the channel and it tells me to make more videos like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for domain list. This is where all of your domains are stored. Find the additional domain you want to connect to your hosting and click Manage next to it. Now scroll down to the Nameservers section. This part is important because your domain needs to point to the correct hosting service before it can work with your website. In the Nameserver settings, select Namecheap Webhosting DNS. If you're using shared hosting, the nameservers you'll usually see are dns1.namecheaphosting.com and dns2.namecheaphosting.com. After selecting the correct option, click Save to apply the change. Keep in mind that nameserver changes can take some time to fully update across the internet. Sometimes it happens quickly, but in other cases it can take a little while before the domain starts pointing correctly. Once that is done, go back to your Namecheap dashboard and open Hosting List. From there, find your hosting package and click Go to cPanel. This will take you into your hosting control panel where the rest of the domain setup happens. Inside cPanel, look for the domain section, then click Domains. On this page, you'll see the option to create a new domain. Click that and you'll be prompted to enter your additional domain name. Type in the domain you want to connect, for example, example2.com. If you want this new domain to run as its own separate website, make sure you uncheck the option that says Share Document Route with your existing domain. That's the key step if you want the new domain to have its own files and its own website content. After unchecking that option, you'll need to enter or select a separate document route. This is the folder where the website files for that domain will live. A common example would be something like home username/example2.com. Using a separate folder keeps everything organized and makes it much easier to manage multiple websites from the same hosting account. When everything looks correct, click Submit. cPanel will create the new domain entry for you, and now that domain is officially connected to your hosting account. Next, you need to upload the website files for that domain. To do that, go to File Manager in cPanel and open the document root folder you just created. Upload the second website's files into that folder. If you already have a site ready to go, this is where you place all of its files so the domain can display the correct website when people visit it. If you want to install WordPress on the new domain, the process is just as straightforward. Go to Softaculous Apps Installer, then choose WordPress. During the installation setup, make sure you select the new domain from the domain dropdown. That tells WordPress to install on the second domain instead of your main one. Once the installation is complete, your new domain will have its own WordPress site, all managed from the same Namecheap hosting account. And if you have more domains, you can repeat the same exact process for each one. Point the domain to Namecheap Webhosting DNS, add it in cPanel, set a separate document route if needed, and upload the correct files or install WordPress on that domain. That's how you can connect multiple domains to one Namecheap web hosting account without confusion. So to recap, the process is update the domain's name servers in Namecheap, create the domain in cPanel, choose whether it shares a document route or gets its own, upload the site files, and install WordPress if needed. Once you do it one time, the rest becomes much easier. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more hosting, WordPress, and website setup videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.